Alright guys, back here with the instructions on how to install the landing gear. And of course, it's pretty obvious. I should have just guessed it, but I did not. There are two holes, and I'll show you that in a second, on the side here and on the side there. And all you got to do is just push them in until they lock in place. And this one here, the front gear, the front landing gear, you just stick through the hole and use a screwdriver that is provided, like this one, which is just as cool as the one you buy on those green kits. And you are supposed to be able to screw it in. Let's see. Let's take a look at this thing real quick so we can see. Okay. Let me turn it like a turnip right here. The screw that you need to screw in, you would use this. Oh no. No.
Likey